Alrighty folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. And today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be having chicken leg quarters. We was at the store the other day and we seen these on sale. It's a 10-pound bag for $5.90. Couldn't pass the deal up. So let's get started. Okay, we got some tater tots, butter, olive oil, and we're trying this rib rack spice rub. I'll let you know about that in just a little bit. Okay, now just pour in a little bit of your seasoning here, and then we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, just sort of make a little paste. Now, we're just going to lift the skin up on these leg quarters here. Stick your hands in there, get a little bit, and then just rub it around inside there. And then we'll tuck the skin back over top. Just get it all up in there, leg there and the thigh. Now we've got the oven right now preheating at 425. Okay, just get them all coated good inside there. Then we'll season the skin out here. Yeah, just get it all slathered down in there real good. Alrighty. Now we mixed up a little bit in some olive oil. We put that under the skin. Now I'm just patting the skin dry now. And then we're going to put on some more seasoning here on top. And then we'll put them on that tray in just a second. Now I would have used the rotisserie chicken again, the seasoning. Sold out of it. It's getting any more than you go to the store, you're lucky to find whatever. Alrighty. Now we're just going to cut a little bit of this butter. We'll tuck that up underneath the skin also, just for a little bit more flavor. Slide it right up underneath there. get in there. Here, this big piece we'll put over here on this huge piece there. And once again, you all can use whatever your favorite seasoning is. If they have it at the store, or make your own. You can make your own, folks. Now, if all these will fit on that tray, I think we need a little bit more seasoning right there. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Yep, we're using that rack again, folks. Now, if we just have room for all this here, let's do a little bit of maneuvering. Got one more piece. I think we're going to be okay. Alrighty. Now, I see a couple more bare spots. I'm going to go ahead and hit them with some more seasoning. And then we're going to put it in the oven. It'll probably take close to an hour, but about 30 minutes in, we're going to take a look at it. And then underneath, we're going to put those tater tots and let the drippings and all go down on the tater tots and see how it works. I've never tried it. We're going to try it today. "30 more minutes, folks. We'll take a look at it then." Alrighty. Now this here, we cooked the chicken a total. It was 1 hour and 10 minutes. And our tater tots is underneath. We'll see how they are in just a second. All the drippings from the chicken come down on top of those. So we'll see how they turned out. Alrighty, there's the tater tots. Telling you now, folks, they definitely are not crispy. But Carolyn just tried one, said they're real good. Let's get her plate fixed up and we'll see. Okay, folks, you can see there it turned out pretty good. Tater tots was different. It was more like, I don't know, sort of like mashed taters. They was pretty good. The chicken, it was good. We just didn't really care for the rub. It was real sugary. I don't know. You all may like it. It just didn't really hit our fancy, the flavoring. Now we know. Folks, I'd like to thank you all again for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And you all have a blessed day.